Hello, my name is Tarek Sobh. I'm the Dean of the College of Engineering, Business and Education at the University of Bridgeport, and I'm the University Executive Vice President. I've been at the University of Bridgeport for 25 years. Welcome to the University of Bridgeport, and let's take a quick look at some of our facilities, classroom, laboratories, and the exciting projects going on in the College of Engineering, Business and Education. At the School of Engineering in the University of Bridgeport, we offer undergraduate programs in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer engineering technology. Our facilities are very interdisciplinary, and our research labs and centers are available to all our undergraduate students in all the degree majors. We have several research centers and many labs in areas like robotics and automation, artificial intelligence, data analytics, wireless and mobile computing, nanotechnologies, biomedical engineering, and many other developing and interesting areas. The kind of training that we do in the Innovation College of the University of Bridgeport, which is a College of Engineering, Business and Education, is very hands-on, given, of course, the fact that we have this multitude of research labs in which our students do amazing projects. This lab actually is a great example. These are programmable logic controllers. These are robotic platforms that our undergraduate students use all the time. Some of this equipment that we have in this lab are shared by our undergraduate students. So for example, in a lab like this, in the School of Engineering, it is not very atypical to find students from all the majors working together, either taking classes together and doing the projects in the lab, or doing their senior design project here. Typically, the size of our labs are between 10 to 15 students at the max in all of the engineering majors. And again, the interdisciplinarity is key. Very, very heavily involved with industry and companies, with an incredible co-op and internship program. And we'll have a chance to talk about these co-op and internship programs in the next laboratory that we're going to visit. The majority of our undergraduate students have actually incredible opportunities to work here at the University of Bridgeport laboratories and research centers on projects that are either funded or started by the federal government and or industry projects. So we are externally funded, meaning many of the projects that we conduct here are again funded by entities like the National Science Foundation, the National Institutes of Health, the Department of Homeland Security, the Department of Education, in addition to also a variety of company-funded research projects. Companies like Cisco, like Google, like Amazon, like IBM, and so on and so forth. Many of our students participate and actually get paid either as work-study students or as undergraduate assistants working one-on-one with the faculty members who are involved in these projects. One of the coolest projects that we have worked on in the last few years has been projects within the area of controls, where we basically devised for industries mechanisms by which robotic devices and or manipulators can make the factories much more efficient in terms of materials handling, involving many aspects of optimization, operations research, also a lot of work within the area of sustainable engineering and green engineering. Many of our electrical engineers are working on the designs of the batteries and the storage devices associated with these particular alternative energy modalities. They also work with our business students on devising business plans for working on sustainable development projects and the best and the most efficient utilization of these alternative energy platforms. So green engineering and sustainable development is one of the most exciting and growing areas in which our undergraduate students work. Our business students are very much involved in lots of entrepreneurial activities. The University of Bridgeport and our Innovation College, the College of Engineering, Business and Innovation, is home to our Student Entrepreneur Center and also the University of Bridgeport Innovation Center, which just opened a few months ago. Within the University of Bridgeport Innovation Center, our undergraduate students in business and in engineering and computer science have an amazing chance to start and actually devise their own projects being supervised by entrepreneurs in residence in addition to their own faculty member, have a chance to patent their ideas and acquire seed funding to work on these ideas while they are undergraduates. Many of them actually form their own companies upon graduation. Not only that, the university is home to the first incubator in Fairfield County, which actually housed 13 companies in the incubation stage after graduating from the Student Entrepreneur Center. And we were able to help many of these startups acquire seed funding and further funding to actually be able to commercialize their ideas into products and to be able to sell them. This is again one of our labs, so you see some control devices right here. Again, this is one of several automation labs in the university. One of the coolest projects, and one of my favorite, is our version of a humanoid robot. You can see the skull, you can see the torso, you can see a couple of hands, and very soon it will be walking on campus. So hopefully when you come and join us in the fall, it will be personally welcoming you. This particular device has lots of sensors, so it has ultrasonic sensors, infrared sensors, laser rangefinders, stereo cameras, and many other kinds of control devices. This is a joint project in which our computer engineering technology undergraduate students, computer science students, computer engineering students, mechanical engineers, and electrical engineers are collaborating to create the true UB Purple Knight, in this case the Humanoid University of Bridgeport Purple Knight. And hopefully very soon you will see it walking and greeting you personally on campus. One of the cool things that this humanoid robot will be able to do is do a lot of biometrics. So some of the software and the platforms and the algorithms that will be loaded, that will include deep learning algorithms and computer vision and machine perception algorithms, will be algorithms that would help in facial recognition and facial detection, and also algorithms that will be able to do a lot more than just facial detection. Gait detection and object recognition and object classification and so on. So look forward to the Purple Knight greeting you in the fall and greeting you by name, knowing who you are, and being able to help you out, find your way around. We look forward to having you join us at the University of Bridgeport. We have amazing cool stuff going on in engineering and the School of Business, ranging from data sciences to robotics and automation to nanotechnologies. Our employment percentage is 100%. 100% of our students find employment upon graduation. These include regional companies, local companies, industries, and national companies like IBM, like Sikorsky, like United Technologies, like Google, like Amazon, and many others. These companies not only hire our students in co-ops or internship positions during the summers and while you are here on campus, they actually help supply projects for you to work on during the classes. So your education is really very experiential and is real. You are actually solving R&D problems for many of these wonderful companies while you're here studying with us. And of course, hopefully working for them upon graduation. We look forward to having you. Our facilities and projects are world-class and amazingly cool. Our industry involvement and the range of companies we work with will truly be a great supplement to your education here. Amazing service activities on campus and amazing opportunities for entrepreneurship and engagement. And also global engagement through amazing exchange programs that our School of Engineering has with eminent universities overseas. Look forward to having you and have a great day.